Alrighty guys, so today we are changing out this old decapitated ridiculous waste hose for some brand new material for the winter. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we are changing out my wastewater hose and we're going to put in the sewer support hose on here also. So what I've done is I went to Walmart and I purchased the Camco 15-foot RV sewer hose kit with pre-attached fittings. So this basically has everything I need already attached and ready to go. And then I went and purchased the Camco sewer hose support, if I can get it out of the box. There we go. This is also a 15-foot hose. It's for a 15-foot hose. So basically it will support the hose coming from here to the RV input. Now what you see here is a pair of gloves. This is what you're going to need to put this on, guys, just to be safe. Okay? So let's go ahead and take these hosings off, this hose off, and put up our new setup here. Real simple, guys. What we're going to do is basically we're going to take this out, hook it up, and we'll go piece by piece, show y'all guys how to do it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is put on our gloves. Safety first always, guys, no matter what. And these are reusable rubber gloves. I've already washed these. I use these when I put the black water and the gray water valve on. So, and then I use them again for something else. I can't remember. To clean my battery. So they are all good to go. Okay, gloves on. So first thing we want to do here is we're going to disconnect from here on the black water hose valve here. Now I got a slight drip here. That's fine. As you can see, it's got an outlet there. See, connector, 4-way, 4 notches. What you do is you just simply put it on. Oops. And turn. Now this has a swivel on it, so that if I needed to turn it in any direction, it would turn with me. As you notice here, it has that adjustable, kind of the accordion feel, but it stays wherever you put it. So alright, so let's go to the other end. So what we're going to do now is basically take out our old hose here. Ooh, smells lovely in there. And then unscrew this and this. And then we'll take our new hose and basically screw it in like so, and then you'll just pop that in and lock it in place. Now it's locked in place, guys. So what you see on here is that there's little notches, and I don't know if you can actually see it. There's little notches on here. See the notch right there? And you put that notch, put in the notch, and then you just turn it, and that locks the hose in place. So now the hose is secure. Alright guys, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and add on our sewer hose support. Alrighty guys, so I got the supports all put up here. You see, basically I start like kind of a drastic loop here, and then just kind of gradually goes down into the sewer pipe, which is what you want. You want a gradual fade down, which is what these supports actually do for you. So that's it guys, we've set it up, it's good to go, very durable. So what I'm going to do now is I'll show you the other two little things, well, three little things that came with the storage hose itself. So let's go take a look at that. Alright guys, these are the other things that came with it. So basically this is the clamp or the holder for the hose support right here. And basically just kind of goes over, that way you'll be able to carry it out or store it a lot better. And then these two things came with the sewer hose. And these are just basically caps. They go on the end. So there's, you see the 4 notches on this guy here. This goes on the end with the 4 clamps. And this goes, the screw cap goes on the opposite end of the hose there for the sewer setup. So just the final 2 parts guys for the RV hose, waste hose setup there. So hope this was helpful to you guys. I'm pretty sure that there's a lot of folks out there that's done this, but just figure I might do mine. So appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you next time guys on Camomeleon with Camo. It's your boy.